wake up tired, not because you didn't sleep, but because the heat fought you all night. If you live in Nigeria, you know this feeling. The room feels like an oven, your pillow is warm, you keep turning, you sweat, you wake up weak, and by morning, you're already irritated. Small things annoy you, you feel mentally slow, your body feels heavy, you even start blaming yourself. Why am I always tired? But it's not laziness, it's not a lack of discipline, it's not even stress most times. Your body simply could not cool down enough to enter deep restorative sleep. And if you don't fix how you sleep in hot weather, you will keep lying on the bed without truly resting. But the truth is, your body can still sleep well, even in hot conditions, if you understand how heat affects sleep and how to work with your body instead of against it. Let's be honest, this is a very Nigerian experience. Power goes off at night, the fan slows down, then stops. The room becomes hot and stuffy. You start sweating heavily, tossing and turning, waking up repeatedly. Some people even sleep outside. Some open all windows and doors. Some wake up tired and irritable in the morning. I understand your circumstance, and that's why I want to share with you some tips to improve your sleep during the heat season. Sleep is closely linked to body temperature. For the body to fall asleep naturally, core body temperature must drop slightly. This is why we feel sleepy at night. Cool environments encourage deeper sleep. In hot conditions, the body struggles to release heat. When the body cannot cool down properly, sleep onset is delayed. Deep sleep is reduced. Night waking increases. This is not imagination, it is basic human physiology. From years of working with sleep products and sleep behavior, one fact is consistent. People sleep better in environments that help the body release heat. This does not always mean air conditioning. It means proper airflow, breathable materials, correct sleeping habits. Many sleep problems in hot climates are caused by heat-trapping mattresses, heavy bedding, poor ventilation, incorrect night routines. Once these are corrected, sleep quality improves significantly. Stay close as I show you how you can sleep better in a hot climate. 1. Use breathable bedding and sleepwear. What touches your skin matters. Choose light cotton sheets. Avoid heavy duvets or thick blankets. Wear loose, breathable nightwear. Synthetic fabrics trap heat. Natural fabrics allow heat to escape. 2. Choose the right mattress for heat. Some mattresses trap heat more than others. A mattress that allows airflow, does not sink excessively, does not trap body heat. Overly soft or poorly ventilated mattresses tend to retain heat and worsen night discomfort. 3. Take a lukewarm shower before bed. A lukewarm shower helps the body release heat. Avoid very cold water. It causes blood vessels to constrict. This can trap heat inside the body. Lukewarm water cools the skin gradually and supports natural sleep onset. 4. Improve airflow in the room. Air movement helps sweat evaporate and cools the skin. Use a rechargeable fan if available. Position the fan to circulate air, not blow directly into the face. Open windows when safe to allow cross ventilation. Still air traps heat. Moving air helps cooling. 5. Hydrate properly but wisely. Dehydration worsens heat discomfort. Drink water earlier in the evening. Avoid large amounts right before bed. This prevents night thirst. Excessive night urination. Balanced hydration supports temperature regulation. 6. Adjust sleeping position. Sleeping positions affect heat release. Side sleeping allows better airflow around the body. Avoid curling tightly, which traps heat. Keep limbs slightly open to release warmth. Small posture changes can improve comfort. 7. Reduce heat sources before sleep. Many devices generate heat. Switch off unnecessary electronics. Reduce bright lights. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Digestion produces heat. Lighter meals support cooler sleep. Many people push through hot nights and accept poor sleep as normal, but poor sleep affects energy, mood, focus, health. Learning to manage sleep in heat is not luxury. It is self-care. Sleep is when the body repairs tissues, regulates hormones, strengthens immunity. When heat disrupts sleep repeatedly, recovery is incomplete. Better sleep in hot climates means better mornings, better productivity, better long-term health. Over the years, I have learned that good sleep is not about controlling everything. It is about understanding your body and supporting it properly. But heat does not have to steal your rest. When airflow improves, materials breathe, and habits align with natural body rhythms, sleep becomes deeper, even in hot conditions. Because good sleep is not accidental, it is intentional. And when sleep improves, life becomes easier to manage. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational sleep posts. Until next time, sleep well, live better.